Hi there, Lance Beaudry here, CEO and co-founder of TextSpot. I'm going to show you a really cool use case, something I use TextSpot for personally. My daughter's first birthday is coming up in February, and I have a guest list of a bunch of family and friends. And I wanted to get RSVPs by text because that's a lot easier. And it's a lot easier with TextSpot to just send a list of 20 some odd people one personalized text message. So I'm first going to show you how I did that, but what's even cooler is I prompted people in the text message to either reply yes to RSVP or no, and then I'm automatically collecting those RSVPs in a Google Sheet, so it's very easy for me to just see who's coming, who's not. So what I did is I actually already sent this message out. Maya's first birthday, you can see here it is, there she is. I sent an image, and then I can see that it was sent to 16 people here, and I get the delivery statuses, the personalized messages here, told them to say yes or no, and through Zapier, I built a very simple integration here. I just named it Maya RSVPs, and I'll just show you what that looks like. So I set it to when inside of my TextSpot account, when I get an incoming message, I want to add a new row to a spreadsheet. So it's very easy to go find TextSpot, select the event of incoming message, and then I signed into my Google Drive. I had a spreadsheet in there called Maya RSVPs, and I had two columns, first name and RSVP. And here it is. First name RSVP, you can see the yeses with a few people having fun with adding emojis to the response. They didn't follow the rules, but hey, at least I got the RSVP. And then, sadly, one no. My sister cannot make it. She'll be out of the country on vacation, someplace warmer than Michigan. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It was super simple for me to put this together. And then what I did is actually did save the message as a template, so that way I could just easily access it. So all I did was go Maya's first birthday, use template. I selected that template, use it. There it is. There's the image, and then I scheduled it, and it told me how many credits I was using. Sent it out. That was it. I'm getting the RSVPs a lot easier. And you can do this for all kinds of things. This could just be for business events or anything else you might need RSVPs for. Very simple to set this up in TextSpot. So I encourage you to try it out. And feel free to message me if you want to try it out for free. I'll do that for you. I'll set you up. Thanks.